So see, for setting the Python environment in your system, so first of all, what you have to do, if you have installed any version of Python or Anaconda in your system, so just uninstall that versions, okay, because it might get conflict with your that version. Okay, so just uninstall whatever version you have installed. Okay, so basically, see in this zip file, what I have given you, basically it's a I have downloaded all the libraries, all the required libraries for your project. Okay, and stored in a folder. It's a kind of like I have given you. It's kind of software. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to simply uh, set the environment part in your system to this folder. Okay, so what you have to do, simply unzip this folder, a zip file with any software, like I am using a pzip. Okay, you can use whatever you have, like winzip, whatever. Okay, just uninstall this, unzip this file. Okay, once you unzip, you will get this folder only. Okay, not this one, temporary, this folder. So save this folder, any place, whatever place you want to store this Python, like C drive, D drive, whatever drive you have to store in. Okay, so simply go inside this folder. Okay, so uh, these are the subfolders of Python where the all libraries are like integrated in the, and it's a Python 3.6. Okay, so basically Python 3.6 is the compatible with all the libraries available in Python language. Okay, so that's why you prefer to use this version. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to simply go to your environment path, just type environment, so you will get this application. Just open this. Okay, once you open, at the bottom you will get option environment variable. Okay, so just click on that. Okay, so once after clicking, so you will get two system variable, one for username, one for system variable. You can use any one of these. Okay, so I'll prefer to go with this username one. Okay, so there is a one variable called path. Okay, so just double click on this path, the variable. So here you have to put the path of this folder. Okay, so what you have to do, simply uh, click to this top bar. Okay, click center of this top bar. Okay, if you click on this Python 3.6, it will not work. Just click on center of this top bar. Okay, so after that it will automatically select this part. Just press Ctrl C. Okay, after pressing Ctrl C, just go to your environment variable and click on new, and just paste whatever copied your path you have copied. Okay, and after that just add one slash. Okay, it is mandatory, and this is for Python. Okay, so with this you will be able to access the Python. Okay, and there is one more feature of Python, pip. If you aware of this pip, basically pip is a function, or you can say class, which help to download any dependency from internet. Okay, so for setting up pip version, what you have to do, you have to go inside this script folder. Okay, so inside this script folder there is a pip class. Okay, if you search for pip, okay, so this is the pip file which you have to set up in environment part. So here you have to do the same. Simply click on this top bar, center of this top bar, press Ctrl C, and same come to this variable thing, and click on new and paste Ctrl V, and one more thing, add slash. Okay, that's it. Then just click OK. So I have this path set up already in my system, so I'm not doing it right now. Okay, just I'm deleting this thing. Okay, so then what you have to do, you have to simply click on OK. You don't have to delete that. Okay, you have to do this thing. It's already in my system, that's why I'm deleting those path. Okay, and just click on OK, then click on OK. Okay, that's it. Okay, now again open command prompt by typing cmd. Okay, and just hit enter. Just type Python and hit enter. If this version this output come up like this, that means Python is set up in your system properly. Okay, now you will be able to access Python in your system with the all the libraries required in your project. Okay, so here to terminate this this is the Python terminal. Okay, so we have entered in Python terminal to exit this. Just type exit function. Okay, that means it will terminate that Python terminal. Okay, so now here you have to type one thing, which is pip show tensor flow. Okay, just type this library name, pip show tensor flow. It will take a while, okay, for processing. If the terminal come up with this output, that means libraries are also set up properly. Okay, so yeah, you have to do this thing and just let me know once you complete all this stuff.
Do let me know in case of any doubt and issue. You can comment on the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If any, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.